Let's create this text effect in GIMP. First of all, create a new file. I'll make it 1920 by 1080 and change its color to a darker shade of blue, or you can use black, and fill it with foreground color. Now select the text tool and make sure you have it a full size and type in something. Change its color. Select all and make it bold. I'll change the font as well, and the font size to around 400 pixels, and press tab. Hold Ctrl and roll up your mouse wheel to zoom out. You can expand this so the text will be in a single line. Select the move tool now. Make sure you have selected the layer. Now go to filters, map, and little planet. You can adjust the zoom level. Play with these configurations so that you will get something you like. And press OK. Select the move tool and move it like this. That's how you create this simple text effect in Inkscape. Hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching.